Hi, I'm Alan Fraser, and this is Piano Somatics, where we learn to move better so that we can play better. Piano Somatics, the art of conscious movement at the keyboard. You see, the thing is, everything you do sounds. Every little bit of tension in your left rib leads to some change in your sound. If you fall down into the keys with a weighted touch, that's fundamentally different from standing up onto that same key. In fact, if I push the key down, if I think I'm pushing the key down, invariably something in me goes down with it, and there's a certain impingement on the freedom of the sound. Now, if I think I'm not even going to move the key, I'm just going to stand up. Oh, the key went down by accident. I'm standing up. I'm already weightless, and the sound is free. The sound prolongs. The sound is pure, because I did not force it out of the piano. I did not squeeze it out of the piano. I evoked it. I sounded it with a well-organized movement. So this is a beginning taste of where we're going to go, and we're going to go very far with this in Piano Somatics. I hope you join me on the journey.